Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an all acrylic nail set, and I'm going to be using this beautiful glitter mix that I received from Made2glitter Cookie here on YouTube. Also, I'm going to be using this yellow acrylic that I made myself. It has a little shimmer to it. And I'm also going to be using this black fabric. You could probably get it from Joann's or a fabric store. And I'm also going to be using some super glue that I got from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so right here I have already sculpted my nails. I used fantasy nail forms, and I just used some clear acrylic to sculpt them. And now I am applying my yellow acrylic that I made, and I'm only going to apply it to maybe 3/4 of the nail. Okay, so right here I am applying the acrylic at an angle, and I kind of want to build the acrylic up a little. I want to make it a little thick. Once I've got it to the thickness that I like, I'm taking my file here and I'm just sharpening the edge up. And now I'm going to use this super glue, my Dollar Tree super glue, and I'm going to apply this fabric at an angle. And I'm using this little baggie here because that helps to keep your fingers from getting glued to your nail. And I'm just using the scissors here to cut off the excess fabric. Alright, so right here I'm applying this very beautiful glitter mix from Made2glitter Cookie. And she has a YouTube channel, y'all. She makes glitter mixes, she sells glitters. I mean, and it's just beautiful, reasonably priced. I will leave her channel in my description box, so if you guys want to go over and check out all her beautiful glitters and whatnot, go right on over there and tell her I sent you. Okay, so right here I am applying the fabric to the whole nail. So I put the what was that stuff, my Dollar Tree super glue. I put that on, and then I put the fabric over the whole nail. And now I'm taking the beautiful glitter mix and I'm just applying it here and there. Not going to cover the whole nail because I want you to be able to see the fabric. Right here on my little pinky finger, I am doing the same thing. I'm just going to apply it to half of my nail, this yellow acrylic here. I'm going to do it at an angle, and then I'm going to get my nail file and sharpen the acrylic up, I guess. I don't know how you want to say it, but I'm going to define the acrylic on there a little. And once I got that done, then I'm going to get my glue again, and I'm going to apply the fabric. So I'm just doing the same step. I love to encapsulate things, y'all. I just like finding unique stuff and encapsulating in the acrylic. It just gives it that look like, oh, what is that? Okay, so right here I am taking my clear acrylic and I'm going to encapsulate all my nails, and then I'm going to do what? File shape and buff. Okay, so I'm going to apply some crystals to my nails because you know I got to have that bling. Alright, so thank you all so much for watching. I greatly appreciate y'all's support, and if you're not subscribed, please do so. Check these nails out.
Yeah, you know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah, you know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah, you know what it is. Everything I do it big. Yeah, screaming that's not. When I pulled off the lot, that's not. Reppin' my town, when you see me, you know everything. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. I put it down from the whip to my diamonds. I'm in black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
Big Snoop Dogg and Wiz Khalifa. See, on the West Coast, I'm the big chief, the Grim Reaper. Maybe that bring me back yellow like